Experiencing a frozen screen or no sound in your Skoda Kamiq's infotainment system? You're not alone. These issues, common in 2018-2023 models with the Volkswagen Group's MIB systems, often stem from software glitches or hardware faults. Start with a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 5 to 10 minutes. Remember, this might reset your settings. If the system is accessible, a factory reset via the settings menu can also help, but be aware it will erase personal data. For no sound issues, amplifier failures or audio routing errors could be the culprit. Software updates released by Skoda have addressed some problems, so ensure your system is up to date. If basic resets don't work, persistent issues require professional help. Dealerships reflash the ECU using OBD2 tools to fix deep software problems. Newer Kamiq models shift to cloud-based infotainment, reducing onboard storage reliance and minimizing freezes. Skoda adopts embedded Android OS in upcoming models to eliminate legacy bugs. DIY fixes via Torque or Carly apps are popular, but they can void warranties. Watch for Skoda service bulletins and repair programs, like the 2024 MIB2 touchscreen program. Regular maintenance and software updates prevent issues.